Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. Today I'll be sharing some rustic Christmas DIYs. Welcome to the Chic Show. 12 Days of Christmas playlist is hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting in Mimi's World. Be sure and check out their channels and the playlist in the description box below. This project, I'm using the Angel's Taper molds from IOD. I used clear resin and poured all three of these angel tapers ornaments that I'm going to use for ornaments, and I want you to look at the detail. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I chose one of these angels and I painted it with a coat of black chalk paint on the front and the back. Now I'm going to go in with some of this teal paint, and this is just acrylic paint, and I'm just dabbing it on in different places. The idea is to make this look like it is iron and has been sitting out in the weather. Once that's dry, I am taking some of Dixie Belle's patina paint, and this is in the iron metal, and I'm dabbing that on in places as well. Once that first coat is dry, I go back again and try to dab in those same places because the patina spray needs to be applied to the wet patina paint. Now this is the Dixie Belle patina spray in green. Once I have sprayed these areas that I have painted with the patina paint, I'm going to set this aside and let it start to rust. It's really a cool process. Now that it's dry and it has rusted, I'm going back with a little bit of that gold rub and buff, and I'm just brushing that on the details just to highlight them. This is probably my favorite project that I have ever done. I did glue a little hook to the back so that I could string through a velvet ribbon and hang it on my tree.
I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever
Inspired by the last project that I showed you that Julie did. This is a resin casting that I used from one of the IOD molds from back in the spring called Invitation Only. And I thought this deer would be perfect for the season. I'm using some of Waverly's Antique Wax, and I'm going to use that all over this casting. I love how the antique wax almost makes this look like it was carved from wood. That dries, I'm going to use this little piece that I got on clearance at Dollar General, and I'm going to remove the snowflake, and I'm going to be painting the front with black chalk paint. I'm not doing anything to the back of this piece because it could be potentially used for another project. So it could be a two-sided project at any given time, or you could do something on the back for a tiered tray so that if both sides show, then you have both sides completed. Once that is dry, I'm going to be using some Tight Bond Quick and Thick, and I'm going to glue my deer onto this piece. I'm also going to be using a couple of dots of hot glue just to hold it in place. To make this guy a little more Christmassy, I am going to give him a red nose. I would love to know what you think about this very proper Rudolph. I hope you've enjoyed today's 12 Days of Christmas rustic DIYs, and I hope that you will let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments. If you're looking for more inspiration, check out the playlist or this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.